So what the hell am I going to eat tonight? Oh, I see it. Hiding there. Kraft dinner. Let's have some Kraft dinner. How to make Kraft dinner. So, get the water boiling. Pepper. Salt from a light bulb. It's getting a little foamy. Nothing a little olive oil can't take care of. Chill the hell down with that foam. There you go. Now let's do the steak. London broil. Pan's heating up. Still has a ways to go. Do some broccoli first. A little side move here. A little more. But I like them broccolis. They're good for you. Noodles are halfway done. Halfway done. Turn the heat down so it doesn't boil so much. Ooh, noodles look done. Give it a try here. Yep, time to come off. Milk. A little butter. It just turns out that this is like a tablespoonful worth. Give that a quick stir. I like to melt that butter in there just a little bit before I go crazy with it. Add the Insta cheese. Insta cheese. I wonder if I would still eat this if you actually saw how this was manufactured. Stir rapidly until all the cheese is mixed in. Let's add some extra sharp cheddar to it. Oh yeah. That looks like about enough. I'd say that's let's call that a quarter cup. Give that a quick stir. Melt all that cheese in there. What god awful thing is he doing now? He's cutting the broccoli in. Sear the steak. Dry pan with just seasoning and soy sauce on the meat. A touch of water will break up that caramelization. Give it a couple swirls, let it sit for a second, flip it over. So this steak's 1 inch thick, so probably about 6 minutes total, and I think I'm hitting that point. Oh yeah, I'm hitting that point. Time for it to come off. Perfect. I love rare sears. Cut my life into pieces. A little bit of the seasoning from the pan that I just cooked it in. The best Kraft dinner ever. Subscribe, like, comment. See ya. Well, I'm not even bothering with the plate. Don't judge me.